Hello everyone, welcome to Elora's Kitchen and Lifestyle. Today let's check when you mix whipping cream with cream cheese what happens and how you can make a delicious red velvet cake out of it. Take half cup of curd, 1/4 cup of oil, then icing sugar half cup, you can also take regular sugar, vanilla essence 1 teaspoon and red food color 1 teaspoon. Now mix everything well. Take 1 cup of maida or all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of cocoa powder or chocolate powder, 1 teaspoon of baking powder and half teaspoon of baking soda. Sieve everything and mix them well. Now take 1/4 cup of warm milk and add them little by little. Mix them well and form a batter, cake batter. Now our cake batter is ready. This is the right consistency. Now grease your baking tray. I have taken 9" of baking tray. Add a parchment paper or butter paper and add the cake batter. I have already preheated my oven at 350° Fahrenheit or 180° centigrade. Now bake it for 35 minutes at the same temperature. And after 35 minutes, this is how it looked like. Insert a toothpick and it should come out clean. Now let it cool down and start making our frosting. Take 1 cup of whipping cream, beat it for 3 minutes. Make sure the cream is chilled. Take 3 teaspoons of icing sugar or take more if you want more. Half teaspoon of vanilla essence, 3 teaspoons of cream cheese. Again beat it for another 2 minutes and our frosting is ready. Keep it in fridge until your cake is completely cooled down. Now remove the cake into a plate and cut into 2 halves. Now put some sugar syrup on top of the cake, first layer of the cake. Now start applying the frosting. When you add cream cheese with the whipping cream, the frosting is very easy to apply and it gets stick well. It will not be very flowy, rather it will stick well to the cake. So try to add some cream cheese if you think that your whipping cream is not coming in the right consistency. Now apply into the second layer. And our beautiful red velvet cake is going to be ready. Apply it in the sides as well. You do not need any cake tool to apply this. You can simply apply it with the knife. Just keep applying it slowly and add some cake crumbs on the top and enjoy your delicious red velvet cake. Thank you everyone for watching. Have a very nice day.